Avocados and mangoes both offer unique nutritional benefits despite having similar calorie content, roughly 150 to 160 calories per cup. But they serve different health purposes. Here is a breakdown of their nutritional profiles and which might be considered more nutritious, depending on your goals. 1. Macronutrients. Avocados, high in healthy monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, low in sugar, and contain some protein. Mangoes, high in natural sugars and carbs, low in fat, and moderate in fiber. 2. Fiber. Avocados when about 10 grams per cup, supporting digestive health and fullness. Mangoes have around 3 grams per cup. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Avocados, excellent source of potassium, more than bananas, high in vitamin K, folate, and vitamin E, good for heart and brain health. Mangoes, rich in vitamin C, about 100% of daily needs per cup. H in vitamin A, beta-carotene, good for immunity and vision, contain vitamin B6. 4. Antioxidants. Mangoes, higher in antioxidants like zeaxanthin and beta-carotene. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, especially beneficial for eye health. 5. Glycemic index. Avocados, low glycemic index, ideal for blood sugar control. Mangoes, higher glycemic index, less ideal. L for those watching blood sugar. Conclusion: which is more nutritious? Avocados are more nutrient-dense overall due to their healthy fats, higher fiber, and broad range of essential vitamins and minerals. Mangoes excel in vitamin C and antioxidants, making them great for immune support and skin health. Best approach: include both in your diet. Of possible, avocados for satiety and heart health, mangoes for a sweet antioxidant boost.